Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this rolling workstation that has a wooden surface that I find that it's really useful for working from home or just moving from one spot to the other. I mainly use this one for when I'm working, but also having lunch, for example, because it has super nice to use and super convenient because it has wheels. For example, you can see this, and you can actually modify the height, which is really cool because it has this space like in diagonal shape that you can actually get underneath and get your actual legs in it. And I think that's really good because it's super comfortable. So as you can see, you can actually put this is a really big laptop. This is a 17 inches laptop. So I can put my laptop in here if I'm working or something like that. And then I have room for even putting my mouse in it. So again, this is a super big laptop, so probably it's not the best example, but just to show you that you have some really good room in it for putting your laptop, your mouse, or your keyboard, or just having lunch or something like that. Also, what I really like about this is you can actually modify the height. So let's say that I'm having taken this one, for example, to my couch. So I can put it a little bit lower and actually sit in the couch, like sit in the in my bed as well, and just having it with me, just working with my laptop, or just probably using it for, again, having lunch, or I don't know, probably a romantic dinner or something. So that's pretty good. It has the wheels and you can get it up to 20 inches tall, and it's 23 inches on the wide side. So that's pretty good. Assemble, it's practically a joke. It kind of like took me, I want to say like 10 minutes tops. So it's super easy. It comes with everything you need. And the wooden surface is actually really nice. It's kind of like soft. So I don't think it's going to be damaged. But if by any means you're putting some drinks on or something, I'd probably use a coaster. But that's it. That's probably it. And again, you can use this on your couch. You can use this on the side of your desk, like I'm doing from when I'm having lunch or things like that. And I want to put my lunch in here. So I just use this. It has the wheels. It rolls super good. You can actually lock the wheels as well. And it has a really nice surface for working, I think. So it's the best thing. So you can actually binge watch some TV show while working or something like that. You can actually do that. But other than that, I think it's a really good product. I like it. I do recommend it. Super easy to assemble and really convenient for moving from one place to the other in your house, actually. So I like it very much. I couldn't find anything bad about this product. So thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching and see you soon.